Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Dr. Tia SSNPD, salah satu dosen dari Prodi Sastra Inggris Universitas Pamulang, Fakultas Sastra. Saya bergabung di Universitas Pamulang sejak tahun 2018. Kesempatan ini saya membuat video pernyataan diri dosen untuk Richard Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi atau PDD UKT NTT yang pengajaran sebagai salah satu instrumen penilaian sertifikasi dosen tahun 2020. Pada video ini saya akan menyajikan pengajaran mata kuliah Basic Grammar yang menjadi mata kuliah utama saya selama mengajar di Prodi Sastra Inggris Simpang. Mata kuliah grammar mempunyai bobot 4 SKS yang diajarkan kepada mahasiswa sastra Inggris Universitas Pamulang pada semester 1. Mata kuliah ini disajikan sebanyak 30 pertemuan, sudah termasuk ujian tengah semester dan juga ujian akhir semester. Mata kuliah Basic Grammar merupakan mata kuliah paling mendasar dan penting di jurusan sastra Inggris karena grammar tersebut merupakan bagian dari grammar yang paling mendasar yang mana akan ada lanjutan grammar lainnya di mata kuliah berikutnya seperti intermediate grammar, upper intermediate grammar, dan advanced grammar yang akan diberikan di semester berikutnya. Adapun capaian pembelajaran lulusan atau CPL yang diberikan oleh mata kuliah ini, yang pertama adalah CPL sikap, yaitu menunjukkan sikap bertanggung jawab atas pekerjaan di bidang keahlian secara mandiri. Yang kedua, CPL pengetahuan, yaitu mampu menguasai pengetahuan di bidang kebahasaan. Yang ketiga adalah CPL keterampilan, yaitu mampu menunjukkan kinerja mandiri, bermutu dan terukur. Yang terakhir adalah CPL kemampuan khusus, yaitu mampu menerapkan penggunaan tata bahasa dalam bahasa Inggris yang kompleks secara lisan dan tulisan, secara terampil dan secara level intermediate. CPL mata kuliah tersebut diturunkan menjadi CPMK atau capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah, yaitu mahasiswa mampu memilah dan menggunakan teks yang tepat, menganalisa part of speech, menggunakan frasa, memilah dan menggunakan word of series, membuat pertanyaan dengan pola yang tepat, mengevaluasi kesalahan yang terdapat dalam kalimat, dan menulis kalimat dengan menggunakan tata bahasa yang tepat. Cakupan materi dari mata kuliah ini terdiri dari beberapa materi, yaitu sebelum UTS atau ujian tengah semester, mahasiswa akan diberikan beberapa materi berupa part of speech yang terdiri dari part of speech noun, quoting parts, article, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, dan juga subject verb agreement. Setelah ujian tengah semester, mahasiswa akan diberikan beberapa materi lanjutan seperti simple present, present continuous, simple past, past continuous, present perfect continuous, simple future, dan juga beberapa mulai series, yes no question, dan juga materi passive voice. Materi-materi tersebut akan disampaikan dengan kombinasi metode pembelajaran PBL atau Project Based Learning, metode ceramah, diskusi, dan juga studi kasus dan mengisi berbagai exercise. Pada bagian penilaian asesmen, mata kuliah Basic Grammar mengikuti cakupan landasan yang diberikan oleh Universitas Pamulang, yaitu dengan memberikan 10% poin untuk kehadiran, 20% untuk tugas-tugas harian, 30% untuk ujian tengah semester, dan 40% dengan ujian akhir semester. Pada kegiatan pembelajaran, mahasiswa diberikan tugas essay dengan mengisi berbagai exercise yang terdapat secara interaktif, latihan diskusi, mengidentifikasi struktur kalimat bahasa Inggris, memahami fungsi unsur dari struktur kebahasaan, serta menyusun kalimat yang tepat sesuai kaidah tata bahasa Inggris. Demikian informasi yang diberikan mengenai mata kuliah Basic Grammar Prodi Sastra Inggris Universitas Pamulang. Berikut cuplikan pembelajaran yang saya laksanakan secara sinkronis ataupun tatap muka di ruang kelas. Materi yang saya berikan pada mata kuliah Basic Grammar ini adalah berupa pronoun atau kata ganti. Selamat menyaksikan. Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning. For today, before we start about the opening today, I will check your attendance. Adinda Anastasia, present. Amanda Karu, present. Apris Leno, present. Cecilia, present. Dimas, present. Okay, I think already for the today's class, our topic this is the pronoun. Pronoun is part of the basic grammar. Do you know what pronoun? What is the meaning pronoun? Kata ganti untuk apa aja? Ya, sama dengan person. Okay, today I will explain about the function of the pronoun, describe types or kinds of pronoun, and create sentences using pronoun correctly. What is the function of pronoun? Apa fungsinya pronoun itu? Digunakan agar suatu kalimat tidak diulang-ulang lagi, so that the sentence the more clear and more natural. Jadi kalimat tersebut lebih simple dan lebih detail gitu ya. Jadi tidak ada pengulangan kata lagi. There are so many pronoun, but I only give for today is only 4 kinds of the pronoun. This is subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun. This is subject pronoun. I, you, he, she, it. We, you, they, and then object pronoun. Okay, them ya. Okay, possessive adjective.
My, your, his, her, is, our, your, their.
Okay, possessive pronoun.
My, yours, his, hers, is, ours, yours, theirs.
Okay, which one the same? The pronoun the same but the writing. Yang mana yang tulisannya sama? Antara subjek mana yang tulisannya sama dengan pronoun yang lain? You. If you find you, either subject or object, only you. No change, tidak ada perubahan. You sebagai subjek ataupun objek sama-sama menggunakan kata you. So, can you sebut the possessive pronoun? Ending s, yours, his, hers, is, ours, yours, theirs. Berakhiran huruf s semua ya, kecuali my. Oke, ada lagi persamaan selain you? Which one? His and his. Possessive adjective and possessive pronoun you use his, same meaning. No, not same meaning but not same structure. Okay. Can you remember it?
Yes.
Okay. This is. How about if we don't use pronoun? Cat is married. He has 2 children. Which one? C. Refer to? A. Okay. So pronoun S. Subject or object? C. Subject. Yes, good. Cat is my friend. I know her well. So her is the pronoun S.
Okay.
Okay, good. This is the number D. Eric and I are good friends. Okay. Why you use I, not me? Kenapa kita menggunakan I bukan me? Eric and I. Why not Eric and me? Because yes, good. Because I as subject. Because the after the I is the to be or auxiliary verb. Ya. Jadi setelah subjek itu auxiliary verb, maka kalian harus menggunakan subjek. Okay. Anna met Eric and me at the museum. Why not Anna met Eric and I? Why? Kenapa menggunakan subjek? Karena sebagai object. Which one subject? Mana D? Anna as the subject, so Eric and me as object. Because the after auxiliary verb. Okay, next. Pronoun is subject. Let's see. Please reading about the number 1 sentence.
I am a university student.
Okay, loaded. Let's see. Loaded.
I am a university student.
Okay. Dimas, number 2.
He speaks English very well.
Nino, number 3.
He likes reading novels.
Stephanie, number 4.
He likes reading novels.
Okay.
She is preparing her presentation.
Inga, next.
It looks beautiful.
Yola,
We have an English class every Monday.
Nadia,
We are playing this.
Maya. Okay, finish ya. Okay, thank you. So the pronoun as subject. Are you very busy here? Okay? Okay. You get it?
Yeah.
Next about example pronoun. Okay, I will ask Muzayana, number 1.
My teacher told me after class.
Okay, next is Filza.
Next, help me with my homework.
Sally,
I will meet you tomorrow.
Zephina. Okay, next the students can fill for. Okay, this is the sample of pronouns. Me, pronoun from I. Sorry, an object from I. You, object from you. Him, object from he. Okay, next. Number 4. Number 4. Khairul Asghar.
I saw her in the library.
Library. Okay. Number 5. Cecil.
Please open it carefully.
Number 6.
The teacher gave us extra practice.
Okay. Number 7. Siapa yang mau? Silakan baca. Fanya, coba Fanya number 7.
We met them at the conference.
Okay. So number 4. Her is object from she. Okay. Don't forget. Her is object, so the subject is she. It is the object from it. So the same different meaning but the same structure is it. Okay. Number 6. Us. Object from we. The object from they. This is about the possessive adjective. What is differences about possessive adjective and possessive pronoun? Siapa yang tahu? Ya, Leslie. Adjective follow possessive pronoun Okay, good. Okay, my phone is on the desk. My phone. You have to put a button noun after my. Okay. Your answer, his brother, her presentation, the company changes its policy, our project, their house. Okay, this is followed by noun. Okay. Okay, this is differences about the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. This is my book. This book is mine. So differences about the mine is the last. The last you not follow a noun because the noun is explained before. Karena sudah dijelaskan sebelumnya. This book sudah dijelaskan, jadi tidak perlu. This book is my book. Okay? No, that is my is your bag. No. This the bag is yours. Ya, karena sudah dijelaskan sebelumnya atau si lawan bicara sudah tahu benda apa yang dimaksud. Okay? It is her laptop. The laptop is hers. Okay. Ciri-cirinya berakhiran huruf S kecuali mine. Ya. Kecuali is itu ada dua perbedaannya. Okay. This is times. But exercise. I will ask you one by one, or if you know but answer, you check your eyes about you. Okay? Siapa yang mau jawab nomor 1, nomor 2? This is about personal pronoun, berhubungan sama orang, personal pronoun, subject and object antara dua. Silakan number 2. Yang itu number 2.
Make a dinner with Betty and me.
Dinner with me. Okay, good. Number 3. Indah. I had dinner. Okay, number 4. Adinda.
Betsy and I had dinner with Nick last night.
Okay, Betsy and I. Okay, number 5. Safira.
The dog.
Please take this food and give it. Okay. Why it? Because refer to this food, this, not those, not this. Okay, similar. Yes, good. Number 6. Then because this food, plural. Okay. Next, number 7. Okay, number 7.
My brother brought Emily and me to the store. He didn't come in. He waited for us in the car. We got it.
Yes, good. My brother brought Emily and me. And because me is the object to the start, he didn't come here. Yeah, he waited for us in the car. We heard it. Okay, next number 8. Rani? Okay, I want to get the second is the plural. The better get the great they are celebrated. So this is the plural. They and it not only for human, yeah. Okay. It's number 9. Stephanie, you want to talk to me? She want to talk to me. Okay. Next, kita tadi belakang yuk.
Between you and me, I think I made a bad decision to quit this job.
Between you and me, I think if I okay, thank you, good. And then your next sentence.
He thinks differently.
He and I. Okay. Number 10. Why me? Because I think if I is the subject. So okay, thank you. You all will get success about the this exercise. Okay, go to the next section. Okay, this is about possessive pronoun and adjectives. Okay, as I explained before, that the differences about the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun is the possessive adjective you have to follow the noun, so it's possessive pronoun. For example, this is name, Rio, mobil Rio. Gimana bahasa Inggrisnya? Oke, apostrophe FS, noun. Namanya dulu ya, baru kata bendanya. Jangan lupa menggunakan kata huruf S. S itu bukan berarti Rio-nya ada banyak ya. Oke, tapi kita pemilikan. Oke. For example, buku siswa-siswa. Siswanya ada banyak, coba ditranslate bahasa Inggris. Siswanya ada banyak. Utamakan orang yang dulu yang memiliki. Coba, bagaimana? Siapa yang mau coba ke orang? Siswanya dulu dong, sebutkan. Students book. Oke, jadi tidak perlu menggunakan huruf S lagi ya. Karena sudah berakhir huruf S, tinggal diletakkan apostrophe. Bagaimana kalau buku seorang siswa? Siswanya satu. Silakan yang terakhir. Apostrophe dulu baru huruf S, karena siswanya cuma satu. Jadi kalau kalian, if you have the plural noun, kalau kalian sudah menemukan subjek lebih dari satu, students, teachers, lecturers, Jangan menambahkan huruf S lagi, hanya tambahkan apostrof. Apa itu apostrof? Tanda lebih satu. Oke, satu ya, bukan dua. Oke, exercise, next exercise about the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Number 2. Nomor 2, siapa yang mau jawab? Oke, yuk.
This umbrella is mine, the other one is yours.
Is yours. Good. Oke, possessive pronoun. Number 3. Apa yang mau silahkan jawab? Press number 3. Mary and Bob have their books. In other words, Mary has hers, and Bob has his. Okay. Why? Number 3, we choose the their book. Why their? Not theirs. Because karena sebelumnya belum disebutkan benda apa, benar nggak ya? Iya. Jadi jangan langsung menggunakan kepemilikan kalau kita belum membahasnya. Ya. So the next sentence about the other word is the next sentence. Mary has hers and Bob has his. Karena sudah disebutkan di awal kalimat, jadi tidak perlu menggunakan kata benda atau posesif adjektif lagi. Ya, next number 4. Adinda.
A honeybee has two wings on each side of its body.
Its body kepemilikan ya, harus menggunakan benda. Oke, next number 5. Oke. It is true that a honeybee will find is. Oke, yang pertama, why even though it begins, it's great. Not use apostrophe because the noun. Okay. It is the antonian. If using apostrophe itu namanya subjek ya. Hati. Kalau without apostrophe namanya possessive adjective dan possessive pronoun. Oke. Kita Fahina number 6.
I have heard its name is.
Okay. It's apostrophe or no?
The first one is yes.
Without apostrophe because the possessive adjective. Next.
Yes.
It's a product. It is. Yeah. We say it is. If you order, you will confuse. Okay. Kita ulangi ya. I have a pet. It's without apostrophe because the possessive adjective. His name is clear. It is a turtle. Why it is? Why the it's? Because this is the subject. Yes. Okay. Next. It's been or it is been. It is been. Sorry, this is not it is been. It has been. Has is the present perfect continuous. Okay. It has been. Sama-sama menggunakan apostrophe ya. Is dan has ya. Oke. Berikutnya number 7. Ya Nadia. Siapa Naila?
Our house is almost the same as our neighbor's house. The only difference in appearance is that ours is gray and theirs is blue.
Yes, good. Our house is the possessive adjective because we have to use noun. Our house is almost the same as our neighbor's house. Okay. Why? Kenapa kita pilih our bukan ours? Karena di soal tersebut ada os ya. Jadi kita harus menggunakan our. The only difference in a first name is there. Sudah disebutkan di bawah kalimat, jadi kita sudah menggunakan posesif pronoun. Ours and theirs is why. Okay, good. Next number 8. Tadi siapa yang depan Nadia? Depan Nadia. Ya. Nadia nomor 8.
It goes the fish into the grave and gets back in there, then swallow at first. It's interesting what
If or it is the last.
it's interesting what
Okay. About the sentence, when I was in Florida, I observed an interesting fish eating. Berapa jumlahnya seperti ini? Interesting fish eating ya, satu ya. Oke, simple. Berarti kita fokus eat or day? Oke, dia menelan air. Oke. Play on. Play ini adalah kata benda. Dari mana sih bisa tahu ini kata benda? Bukan kata kerja, karena ada kata on ya. Jadi yang betul adalah play on. On itu kata preposisi. Kita menggunakan it is. Play on. Belum ini apa? Kata benda. So, it's. Iya, betul. After emerging from the water, kita bahas lagi sebelumnya subjek siapa? Oke, it. Toast. Kenapa kita jawab it? Itu sudah dikasih clue. Toast one subject. He tosses the fish into the air and this and the air dissolves. Okay, next. Okay, it is interesting. It is interesting word in lecture. Enjoy watching. Yeah, betul. Next. Possessive pronoun. Okay, I have explained about this, but when you have the more one subject, students, lecturer, teachers, and the S don't add S anymore. Jangan tambahkan huruf S lagi kalau sudah kurang. Tidak bisa ditambahkan apostrophe S, hanya apostrophe saja. The students names, nama-nama siswa. My babies, bayinya ada berapa? Bayinya ada berapa yang huruf S? Lebih dari satu. Jadi hanya apostrophe. Oke, berikutnya. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. I will call her. It's called her pride. Number 2. Musayana. Number 2.
From first letter to his mother.
Yes, his mother because the pronoun is mother. Number 3. Rio, number 3.
Children should obey their parents.
Yes, their parents. Number 4. Siapa yang menjawab? Viola, belum menjawab Viola. Siapa nomor 4 yang A? Is this
My dictionary or yours?
Yes, good. Yang B, Indah yang B.
This one is mine. Yours is your desk.
Yes, this one is mine. Yours is your desk. Jangan ketukar ya. Number 5. Number 5. Next B, number 5.
The best thing is feathers with its
Okay. The verb it's feathers without apostrophe because this is the noun. Okay, possessive. Possessive adjective not the S the subject. It's feathers with its feet. Number 6. Indah.
What kind of bird is that? It's a crow.
It is a crow because this is subject. Next. Number 7. Siapa lagi? Ayo. Saya kasih nilai A semuanya kalau saya punya. Ayo. Berkata. Paula dari sebelah sini ya, berarti jam sebelah sini. Nomor 7. Ayo yuk, nomor 7 yuk.
Paula.
Yes, good. Oke, yang B, Safira. Bertanya, because the object is apartment. Oke, yang C, Dimas.
We present building. Our apartment has one bedroom, but there has two.
Oke. Nomor berapa tadi ya? C. Will you distribute our apartment? Oke. But there is has to. Yang B, yang sudah dijawab tadi belum ya? Oke, yang samping api siapa? Oh, SD nomor B. Habisin semuanya yang B sampai bawah. Oke.
They are sitting.
Oke, kita ulangi ya. They are sitting because the subject there di sana. Now because they are lagi because the subject pronoun. They are waiting for a phone call. They saw. Oke, nomor 11. Oke, Reski siapa? Ya, silakan. Oke, thank you. Any question? Ada yang mau bertanya? Silakan satu orang saja ya. Satu orang saja tanya. Siapa mau nanya apa?
Okay, yes, I want to ask, how do we master the pronoun natural? Because we know the pronouns are so many of them.
Oke, Esmito is very confused. Maybe if you udah translate. Awal-awal kalian bingung ya? Mirip yang tadinya kalian udah percaya dijawab tapi salah. So you have to try more and more practice in speaking and writing in the English. As you select the basic grammar, intermediate grammar, di dalam grammar apapun kalian kalau tidak mencoba exercise itu akan terus bukan hanya salah. Kalian selalu tertukar karena mata kuliah grammar itu selalu membingungkan kalau kita tidak pahamnya. Jadi bukan yang menghafal, jangan menghafal or memorizing, tapi lebih ke praktikal. Jadi so you can differ, bisa membedakan satu dan yang lainnya karena sangat banyak sekali perbedaannya. Oke, terima kasih banyak for today. Oke, for the next meeting I will give you task about the page 58 ya, your model. So today is fun, have fun after this meeting. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.